up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Look what I got here. A little Burt Reynolds special. Actually, this is a 1981 Trans Am. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly, so you know exactly what you get before you get it. This thing is a cool ride. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. We get new inventory in every single day. Let's go ahead and get started. 1981. It's got a 400 in it. Obviously, you know, in 1981 they didn't come out with the 400. I was stopped in 79, I believe. So it's non-matching numbers. Engine's got less than 10K on it. The guy I bought it from, he put the engine in it, did a bunch of work to it. It runs and drives fabulously. It's driver quality, but it's also priced at driver quality. This one is $22,000. And we're firm on that. We'll go ahead and start with the driver's door. It's got a couple of scuffs. The paint is actually good on it. You can actually see my reflection very well. When I say the paint is good, it shines good, but it's got a lot of body flaws, imperfections. Nothing major, just minor stuff. You go to this fender again over here. What I would recommend is doing a nice wet sand to the paint. Bring it back to life, or go ahead and give it a paint job. The car looks really well, it shows well. It's very iconic, you guys all know that. I'd also recommend replacing the tires. They got tons of life left, but they do have some dry rot from sitting. Little bubble right there. This tire's in better shape. Let's look at that other one real quick. See, that one also has dry rot. And this one's better. It's got a little dry rot, but not as bad as the front tire. T-tops. There's no cracks in it. I'll look at the other side real quick. We'll go over there in a minute. It's back where we started. T-top's in good shape. Interior's in really good condition. No tears on the seats. Back seat's in good shape. Front seat's in good shape. Both windows work. They go up slow, but they work. Carpet's in good shape. Dash pad's in great shape. See how the doors close. Not too bad. I've seen better, but I've also seen worse. You know, the GMs are notorious for the hinges. Take a look at this one. Yeah, same thing. It's not terrible. It's not great either. Showing 53,824 miles. Looks like those two gauges are working. This little gauge is working, not the factory. Oil pressure is not working. And obviously we don't have the original engine, so it sounds really good though. Yeah guys, up for sale now. Like I said, it's a solid looker, driver quality. You know what these things are fetching when they're all done up real nice. This is a fraction of the cost. It looks good. It drives very well. It's got 400 in it. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, BobEvansClassics.com. Give us a call today. God bless the USA. If you have any questions, give me a call directly, 215-801-9493. And that goes straight to my cell phone. You don't deal with any salespeople, you deal with the owner directly. I'm ready to make a deal on this one. We're firm at $22,000. This car will not last long, I guarantee it. Thank you for checking out our page. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from us. Appreciate you guys. Take care.